Good morning everybody, I hope you're all okay and had a lovely weekend. We've got a new topic this week called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. Now Miss Barchat will have read that story to you, hopefully you loved it just as much as we do, and we have lots of fun activities to go alongside with it. So the activity we're doing now is making a teddy bear's picnic. So I made my lunch and I had a picnic outside and it was really yummy. So I'm going to show you how I made it and maybe you can ask an adult to help you make some lunch. Remember to wash your hands before you start. Wash all of your fruit and veg if you're using any, just like I am going to. And be really careful if you're using any dangerous equipment. Now my lunch is nice and healthy, so I want you to think about why we need healthy lunch, why it's important that we have lots of fruit and vegetables and different types of lovely food, and I hope you enjoy making your lunch. So here's mine, enjoy! So I made sure that I washed my hands before I started making my sandwich. I got my 2 pieces of bread and my butter, and I spread the butter on with a knife. I had to make sure there was enough on the knife, and then made sure I spread it all over so all of the bread was covered in butter. And then I put my slice of cheese on the bread and cut my sandwich into triangles. How many triangles do I have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's right, I have 4. Then I made sure I washed my cucumber and sliced it with a big sharp knife. Now, if you're doing this at home, you need to get an adult to help you with this bit. I was so careful because I didn't want to hurt my fingers, and I had to make sure that my cucumber was clean first. I did the same with my tomatoes. So I had 3 for me, 3 for my mum and 3 for my sister, and all together I had 9. So 3 add 3 add 3 equals 9. And then I decided to cut them all in half to make them easier to eat for my little bit of salad with my sandwich. Then I made sure I washed my celery under the tap, and I cut off the end bits, cut it in half, and then chopped the rest into little tiny pieces for my salad. I kept on chopping. I was really careful with my knife again. And then I put my salad in the middle of my plate. And then there were lots of colours and it was so healthy. And then I put a glass of water there and a little treat, some biscuits and an apple. I hope you enjoyed my teddy bear's picnic. Hopefully you can make your own at home with an adult. Remember to wash your hands and be really careful with knives and other dangerous equipment. Try and make your lunch as healthy as you can. Remember, I had a little treat with mine, so it was nice and balanced. I had some fruit and vegetables and bread and cheese and some biscuits. I made sure I had a big glass of water because water is really good for you, and I hope you enjoy making your lunch, your teddy bear's picnic. See you tomorrow then, bye!